So here I have a few examples about everything that we talked about. And what I quickly wanted to show is these last two, right? With these two slashes, it doesn't matter what the tag is, but we can skip everything and select the tags that we want. So if I scroll down here to this table, right? So this table, for example, if we look at a cell here, it has a TD. Inside of a TD lives some text. Here, check out another TD where some text lives and another TD. Table data. And the table data lives inside of a TR, which is the table row. So if I wanted to select all of the table rows, anyone know how I would do that? Well, so first I would put these double slashes, right? Because we don't care. We want to skip all of the parent structures and just get right down to the element that we want. And that would just be by putting TR here. And if I hit enter, check it out. It selects every single table row. That's what TR stands for, table row. If I wanted the table body, I can do that. And now it selects every single table data that there is on this page. You guys can see it selected every single TD tag. If I wanted a specific one, that's a little different question. But for now, this is how you use these double forward slashes. And now if I wanted all of the attributes like class, I can do something like this. So now it's going to select every single class attribute on this page. If I hit enter, it selected them. If I wanted every single ID, check it out. See how it's selecting every single ID? If I wanted every single, how about href, which is our link href. You guys see that? It's selecting every single link. So using this double slash and the @ symbol and whatever attribute you want, you can select exactly, you can select all of the attributes. And then obviously we already went over this wildcard character just like anywhere else. It matches any element node, and then this matches any attribute node. So let's take a look at that. So any element node, that's how I was doing this. Right, so if I hit enter now, what is it going to do? It's going to select everything on the page. You guys see that? But then if I wanted to do that and then just skip to a certain attribute, maybe I can do something like type. That's not going to work. It needs to do like that. Type, all the types. And then if I do like this, it's going to select every single attribute on the page. You guys see that? Selects every single attribute on the page. So you can use the star to skip through the HTML to get to the point where you want. It's that awesome wildcard character that we use everywhere else in all, even in coding. And then finally, I also want to talk about the pipe, which can allow us to select multiple elements. So for example, if you go back to this table and I look at this table, I can select all of the TDs, right? Check it out, all of the table data, and I can select all of the TRs, table rows and table data. Or I can select all of the TDs and just the table headers. You guys see that? Instead of the table data, how about I just select the table rows? Table rows and table headers. You guys see that? How it's not only selected here, all the THs, and all of the TRs are selected. You guys see that? How cool is that? So that's what the pipe does.